Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Authenticator app on your account on Roblox easy and quick. First click here, now click settings and now click security, and now here you'll find Authenticator app. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on Authenticator app on your account on Roblox easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.